Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 lesson number 1 which name is the probability. Okay, so in this chapter today we are discuss about the exercise number 1 and the example 11 to 15. Okay, in previous lecture we are already discussed about the example number 1 to 10. Okay, and now we are going to solve the example number 11, and the example number 11 is that one card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Clear? One card is drawn from the pack of 52 cards. If drawing a spade card, yes, if drawing a spade card is donated by event A, yes, and drawing a card from the S to 10 non-face card is donated by event B, then write the sets showing the following events. Okay, first of all, here there are in a 52 cards there are 4 types of card. Yes, first one is the spade card, yes, and it is donated by the S. Then second one is the diamond card, and the diamond card is denoted by the D. Third one is the club card and it is denoted by the C, and fourth one is the heart card, yes, heart card, and it is denoted by the H. The spade card, diamond card, club card and heart card, and each variety has a 13 number of card, yes, which is that S to 10, S to 10, S to 10 means this 10 number, then fur, then jack means J, then queen and then king. So this is the total 13 number of card. Clear? Okay, first of all we write the sample space. Okay, what is the sample space? What is the element of the sample space? Element of the sample space is the 52 cards. Okay, 52 cards from the space card, from space SA, S1, S2, dot dot dot, SJ, SQ and SK. Okay, this is the 30 card of the space card. Okay, like as 30 card of the diamond card, it is denoted by the DA, D1, D2, dot dot dot, DJ, DQ and DK. Okay, now 30 card of the club card, CA, C1, C2, dot dot dot, CJ, CQ and CK. Clear? Now 30 card of the heart card, yes, CA, then C1, C2, sorry, heart card has a H, HA, H1, H2, dot dot dot, HJ, HQ and HK. Yes, so this is our element of our sample space, and the number of element is the 52. Clear? Okay, now we have to find the element of event A. Event A is the selection of the spade card. Event A is the selection of the spade card, and how many spade card will be 13? Yes, and it is HA, H1, H2, dot dot dot, HK. Clear? So on. So thus event A is the ASA, S1, S2, dot dot dot, SJ, SQ and SK. Clear? So this is the element of the event A, and number of the element of event A is 13. Okay, now event B. What is the event B? Event B is drawing a card from S to 10, but which type of card? All cards, spade card, diamond card, club card and heart card. Okay, so S to 10 means if S to 10 of the spade card means SA, S1, S2, so on S10. Clear? This is a 10 card of the spade card. Okay, now 10 card of the diamond DA, then D1, D2, dot dot dot, D 10. Okay, now the 10 card S to 10 we have to select the S to 10 means the non-face card. Okay, now we select the S to 10 of the club card CA, C1, C2 C10. Okay, now we select the 10 card S to 10 of the heart card, and it will be HA, H1, H2 H10. Clear? So this is the element of the event B. Okay, now we have to find the union of event A and B. Union of event A and B. Okay, so what is this union of event A and B? Is that SA, S1, S2, SJ, SQ, SK. Clear? Okay, SA, this is the element of A, event A. Okay, SJ, SQ and SK. Okay, then we have to take the union. Okay, and B means SA, S1, S2 S10, then DA, yes, D1, D2, so on, D10. Okay, now CA, C1, C2, so on, C10, yes, then HA, H1, sorry, H2, D2 and D3, sorry, it's my mistake, yes, okay, HA, H2, H3, H10, okay, clear? Sorry, here HA, after the HA, 2 will become, then 3, yes, here 2, 3, 2, 3, then 2, 3, then 2 and 3. Clear? Here also there is a, after the HA, here 2 and 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, then 2 and 3. Okay, now we have to find the union of event A and B. Yes, so what is the common element between the element of event A and B? Common element is the H to 10. Yes, in event B, HA to H10 elements will be available, and also in event A, HA to H10 element will be available. Okay, so we have to write the union of A and B is equal to SA, S2, S3 SJ, SQ and SK. Okay, we write the element of the event A. Okay, now we have to write the element of the event B, but here SA to S10 element will be repeated, so we can't write it. We write that DA, yes, then D2, D3, so on, D10, yes, then CA, then C2, C3, okay, then CA, C2, C3, so on, C10. Now HA, H1, H3, sorry, H2, H3, so on, H10. Yes, so this is the union of event A and B. Okay, now we have to find the intersection of event A and B. Intersection of event A and B means intersection of event A and B. Okay, what is the common element? Intersection of event A and B means the common element between the event A and B. What is the which is the common element between event A and B? SA to S10. Yes, we can see that in event A, SA to S10 element will be available, and also in event B, SA to S10 S10 element will be available. So the our intersection of event A and B is that SA, S2, S3, so on, S10. Clear? Okay, now we have to find the B dash. Question number 6 is to find the B dash. What is the B dash? B dash is the complementary of the event A. Yes, and B dash is equal to U minus B. U minus B. Okay. So what is the U? This is our U. Minus B. Yes. Okay. Then which element will be remaining in the sample space? SA cancel, S2 cancel, dot dot dot, S10 cancel. So the remaining element will be SJ, SQ and SK. And DA, D2, D3, so on, D10 will be cancelled and the remaining element will be DJ, DQ and DK. Okay, same and CA, C2, C3, so on, C10 will be cancelled and the remaining element will be CJ, CQ and CK. Okay, then HA, H2, H3, so on, H10 will be cancelled and the remaining element will be HJ, HQ and SK. Yes, so that the B dash is equal to SJ, yes, SQ, SK, then DJ, DQ and DK. Okay, then CJ, CQ and CK and HJ, HQ and HK. Clear? Okay. Write down it. Okay, done. Okay, chalo. Now we are going to solve the question number 12, and the question number 12 is that the event A1 and A2, the event A1 and A2 of a random experiment are as follow. Yes, event A1 is that element of the event A1 is X is in between 0 to 5. Yes, X, where X is in between 0 to 5. Yes, and A2 is equal to X, and X is in between minus 1 to 3, minus 1 less than 3. Okay, chalo. From this we can write that value of X is in between 0 to 5. Yes, so the element of the event A1 is that 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can't write here 0 and 5. Why? Because there is a no less than or equal to, there is only less than. If there is a less than and equal to, then 0 will be included in the A1. Yes, but there is a no equal to, only less than. Only less than means 0 is not included. Same as here, only less than, not less than and equal to, so that 5 is not included in the A1. Yes, so the our element of the A1 is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, okay. Now the element of the A2 is the minus 1, 2, 3. Yes, but minus 1 and 3 will be included. Not. Why? Because here the only less than, not less than and equal to. Here is also less than, not less than and equal to. So the our element is that 0, 1 and 2. Yes, minus 1 and 3 are not included. Clear? Okay. Now, yes, and here also write that it is an integer number. Integer number means the 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find the union event. Union event means to find the union of event A1 and A2 and find the intersection of event A1 and A2. We have to find the intersection of event A1 and A2. Okay, so what is the A1? A1 is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, now we have to take union. And what is the element of A2? Element of A2 is the 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so we can write that 1, 2. Okay, from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, and 1 and 2 is repeated, so we can't write it again. Clear? So this is the union of the event A1 and A2, and we can write as like as, yes, in this form. Yes, it is equal to X, where X is in between 0 to, sorry, where X is in between 0 to 4. Yes, here we can say that here we write the less than or equal to. Here also we can write the less than or equal to. Equal to means 0 are included. Yes, here is also equal to means 4 are included. Clear? Okay, now intersection of event a1 and a2, intersection of event a1 and a2 is that 1 2 3 4. Now we take the intersection, yes, and we write the element of the event a2. It is 0 1 and 2. Okay, so intersection means common element of the event a1 and a2. Common element is that 1, yes, and 2, yes, so that the intersection of a1 and a2 is 1 and 2. Yes, we can write it is in this form. Yes, here x, where x is equal to 1 and 2. Clear? Okay, write down it, done. Okay, now we are going to solve the example number 13. Example number 13 is that the events a1 and a2 of a random experiment are as follow. Yes, here the event a1 a2 are given. a1 is equal to x, where x are in between 2 to 6. Yes, x is in between 2 to 6 and x is from the integer number. Yes, x is subset of integer number. Okay, then event a2 is equal to x, where x is from in between 3 to 9. Yes, x is in between 3 to 9 and also x is an integer number. Clear? Okay, so find the set showing the union of event a1 and a2. Yes, we have to find the union of event a1 and a2. Yes, and intersection event a1 and a2, and we also find the intersection of event a1 and a2. Clear? First of all, we have to write the element of the a1 and a2. Then what is the element of the a1 and a2 here? Element of event a1 is that 0 to 6, but here less than or equal to means 2 is included. Clear? Okay, then 3 4 5, and we write the 6 over here. No, why? Because here only less than, not less than and equal to. If there is a equal to, then we have to write the 6 over here. Yes, so we can't write 6 over here because there is a only less than, not less than and equal to. Clear? Okay, now element of a2 is that here value of x is in between 3 to 9, but there is only less than, so 3 is not included. Yes, and there is also less than. Yes, so 9 is not included. So after 3 4 will be coming. Yes, 5 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 will be included, not included. Why? Because there is a only less than, not less than or equal to. If equal to, then 9 will be included in this event. Clear? Okay, so this is the element for the event a1 and a2. Yes, now we can easily find the union of a1 and a2. Yes, element of the a1 is the 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, and we take the union, and the element of the a2 is that 4 to 8, 4 5 6 7 and 8. Yes, so we can write the union of a1 and a2 as that 2 3 4 and 5. Here 4 and 5 will be repeated, so we can't write it. So then 6 7 and 8. So this is the element of the union of event a1 and a2. Now we have find the intersection of event a1 and a2. So the element of the event a1 is that 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, and now we have to take the intersection. Yes, and the element of the event a2 is that 4 to 8, 4 5 6 7 and 8. Yes, so that our answer is the intersection of event a1 and a2 is that intersection means the common element of the event a1 and a2. Which is the common element? Common element is the 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So our answer is that 4 and 5. Yes, we can write this answer in this form. Yes, so it is also write as the a1 is value of x, where x is in between. If we put the less than or equal to, it means 2 are included. Yes, and 8 is also included. Clear? Yes. Yes or not? Yes. Clear? So this is the our answer in second form. Okay, and here we also can write that x, where x is equal to 4 and 5. Yes. Okay, now we are going to solve the example number 14, and the example number 14 is that sample space U of a random experiment and its event A are defined as follow. Yes, sample space U and the event A are given. So we write the sample space U where x and x is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on 10. Yes, so the our sample space U is equal to 0 to 10. Yes. Okay, now event A x, where x is equal to 2, 4 and 6, x where x is equal to 2, 4 and 6. So the element of the event A is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Yes, this is our data. Okay, now what we have to find? Find the complementary of event A. Yes, find the complementary of event A means we have to find the A dash. And what is the A dash? A dash is the U minus A. And what is the element of the U? Element of the U is equal to 0 to 10. Yes, and minus the element of the event A, and the element of the event A is the 2, 4 and 6. Yes, so that the complementary of the event A is that 0, 1 and 2 are cancelled, then 3, then 4 is cancelled, then 5 and 6 is cancelled, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, so this is the element of the complementary of event A. Okay, now we are going to solve the example number 15. This is the last example of the exercise number 1. Okay, and it is that the sample space U of random experiment and its event A is are defined as follow. Yes, here also the sample space and the element A are given. Yes, so write down the data. Data is that sample space U is equal to x, where x is in between 0 to 1. Okay, now event A x, where x is in between 1 by 2, in between 1 by 2 to 1. Clear? Okay, so we can write that. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the complementary of event A. Yes, in this question, in this example we have also find the complementary of event A, and the complementary of event A is the A dash, and A dash is equal to U minus A. Okay, U minus A. Okay, how we can find the complementary of event A? Here we can see that the value of the union is in between 0 to 1. Yes, it is between 0 to 1. Yes, and value of element of event A is in between 1 by 2 to 1. Yes, and also notice that there is 1 by 2 are included. 1 by 2 are included because less than and equal to है. Yes, तो A में 1 by 2 included है तो A dash में included होगा, उसमें included नहीं होगा. Clear? So we have to take the element of the A dash as a U minus A. Yes, A के अलावा जो कोई भी एलिमेंट है वो ही हमको लिखना है. ए में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है? 1 by 2 से लेके 1 तक के एलिमेंट है. 1 by 2 भी है तो ए डैश में 1 by 2 नहीं लेना है. ए में 1 by 2 इंक्लूडेड है, सो ए डैश में 1 by 2 नहीं लेना है. क्लियर? सो वी हैव टू राइट द एक्स वेयर एक्स इज इन बिटवीन. ओके, ये 0 से 1 तक है और ये 1 by 2 से लेके 1 तक है, तो 1 by 2 से लेके 1 तक का पोर्शन है वो निकल जाएगा. कि कौन सा पोर्शन रहेगा? 0 से लेके 1 by 2 का पोर्शन रहेगा. 0 से लेके 1 by 2 का पोर्शन रहेगा. क्लियर? और यहाँ पे तो लेस देन ही है, इक्वल टू नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे तो लेस देन ही आएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या कैसे पता चलेगा कि लेस देन आएगा कि लेस देन और इक्वल टू आएगा? क्योंकि इवेंट ए में 1 by 2 है वो इंक्लूडेड है, तो इवेंट ए डैश में 1 by 2 नहीं आना चाहिए. समझ में आया? इवेंट ए में 1 by 2 इंक्लूडेड है तो इवेंट ए डैश मीन्स द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ इवेंट ए में 1 by 2 नहीं आना चाहिए. नहीं आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे हमने 1 by 2 लिखा है लेकिन उसको कंसीडर नहीं करना है. कंसीडर नहीं करना है तो हम सिर्फ लेस देन लिखते हैं. अगर हम इक्वल टू लिखते तो 1 by 2 है वो ए डैश में आ जाएगा. लेकिन 1/2 ए डैश में नहीं आना चाहिए। क्यों नहीं आना चाहिए? क्योंकि 1/2 है वो ए में है, तो 1/2 है वो ए डैश में नहीं आना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? लेस देन लिखेंगे। क्लियर? ओके, सो दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ इवेंट ए। क्लियर? ओके, राइट डाउन इट, write down it, write down it, done it, okay, so then keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.